If you live in Knoxville, you already know how vibrant and active the city can be. From busy roadways like Kingston Pike and Broadway to lively neighborhoods near the University of Tennessee, outside noise is simply part of daily life. While that energy adds character to our community, it can also make it harder to relax at home. That's where replacement windows come in. Upgrading your windows can dramatically reduce unwanted noise and create a quieter, more comfortable living space. Why outside noise becomes a problem. Noise pollution affects more than just your mood. Constant exposure to traffic sounds, barking dogs, lawn equipment, or neighborhood activity can disrupt sleep, reduce concentration, and increase stress levels. Many Knoxville homeowners don't realize that older windows are one of the biggest culprits when it comes to letting sound into the home. Single-pane windows, worn-out seals, and aging frames allow sound waves to travel through thin glass and small air gaps. Even tiny cracks around the frame can make a noticeable difference. If you can easily hear conversations or passing vehicles from inside your home, your current windows may not be doing their job. How replacement windows reduce noise. Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced technology that significantly reduces sound transmission. Here's how they make a difference. 1. Double or triple pane glass. Unlike single pane windows, double and triple pane windows use multiple layers of glass separated by insulating air or gas. These layers act as barriers that absorb and dampen sound vibrations before they enter your home. The more layers between you and the outside world, the quieter your interior becomes. 2. Insulated glass units. EGUS. Insulated glass units contain sealed air spaces filled with gases like argon or krypton. These spaces not only improve energy efficiency but also help block sound waves. The air gap disrupts the movement of sound, making it harder for outside noise to pass through. 3. Laminated glass options for homeowners who live near highways or high traffic areas in Knoxville. Laminated glass can offer even greater noise reduction. Laminated glass features a special interlayer that holds the glass together and absorbs sound energy. This option is especially effective at reducing high-frequency noises like sirens or horns. 4. Improved sealing and framing. New replacement windows are installed with tight, precision-fit seals. Modern frames are engineered to prevent air leaks, which also means fewer pathways for sound to travel. A proper installation ensures that gaps, cracks, and drafts are eliminated. Benefits beyond quiet living. The noise reduction benefits of replacement windows go hand in hand with other major advantages. Better sleep quality. A quieter bedroom environment leads to deeper, more restful sleep. Whether you live near a busy street or simply want to block out early morning noise, replacement windows can create a peaceful retreat. Increased home value. Knoxville homebuyers appreciate comfort and efficiency. Homes with updated windows often stand out in the market because they offer improved insulation, lower energy bills, and reduced outside noise. Enhanced energy efficiency. The same features that block sound also help regulate indoor temperature. Double pane and insulated windows keep warm air inside during Knoxville's cooler months and block heat during the summer. That means lower utility bills and year-round comfort. Improved focus and productivity. For those working from home or managing a busy household, fewer distractions can make a big difference. Replacement windows help create a calm indoor environment that supports productivity and relaxation. Is it time to upgrade? If your Knoxville home still has older windows, you may be missing out on both comfort and efficiency. Signs that it's time to consider replacement include noticeable drafts, condensation between panes, difficulty opening or closing windows, and excessive outside noise. A professional window consultation can help determine the best glass package and frame material for your specific location and needs. Whether you're near downtown Knoxville or in a quieter suburban neighborhood, upgrading your windows can dramatically improve your daily living experience. Create the quiet home you deserve. Your home should be a place where you can unwind and recharge. Replacement windows provide a practical, long-term solution for reducing unwanted noise while boosting energy efficiency and overall comfort. For Knoxville homeowners seeking a quieter and more peaceful living environment, investing in high-quality replacement windows is a smart and lasting upgrade. When outside noise stays outside, your home becomes the calm, comfortable sanctuary it was meant to be.